Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic beauty in tinkercad. First you type in tinkercad.com and you need to sign in, but if you're not a member you must create one. Let me just type my password. There we go. Let me just save it for a moment. Let's see here. So we're basically just making a simple building. First, what we're gonna do is add a block and create the size of it. Then here is the color thing, which can give you colors or any color that you want. Let me just change the size of it. So first what we're gonna do is make the hole in the building. Let's print and copy this. So first we need to change size of the thing that's going to make the hole. You need to press hole, move it in here and check if there's anything popping out. For example, this is popping out, so I'm making it back in, and what we're going to do now is make them one piece. So you just shift and place them each other, or you could just do this. And this is the group thing, which will make a hole. You may think that there's no hole, but if you have a mouse, you can zoom in to see the hole inside. Now what we're going to do next is make the doorway. So first you need to control the size of the door and glue it to the building. And here we go, the hole and the building. And what we're going to do now is just make a simple floor. So what we're going to do is just do this. You can pick any color you want. I want blue, so I'm just gonna put it here. And what I'm gonna do now is go down here and make the sides of it. Make sure there's no gap or anything between them. And now what I'm gonna do is try to make the elevator. I mean, you can pick elevator or the staircase. I'm just gonna do the elevator. So let me just design this for a moment. I need to make it as high as it can, as high as the roof, and I need to change the size too because I need to make it fit so people can get inside it. Now what I'm gonna do is make the hole, and I'm gonna copy and paste this. Like I said, you need to change this, the size of it, in order to do so. Let's check if there's anything popping out. No, so let's do this. And there is a small gap between them, so what I'm going to do now is take this out and copy paste it, make it a smaller size, just like you make a door. Now I'm gonna hold and do this, and now it's like a small door and this part is the door. Now what we're gonna do is change the space or whatever it is into this and put it inside it. Now we need to do an upper door, so let's make the upper door. What I need to do is just do the same as the last door to make it. We need to put it here, and I might need to change the size of it. I might take it down, so you press the triangular, the cone thing to move it down and do hole and group them together. And now this the hole. And what we're gonna do now is make the helicopter pad. So we're first gonna make sure there's nothing is going inside the building, and we also need to do stairs. So there's these things which can give you the stuff. Let me just do the stairs. You might want to change the size of the stairs depending on what the stairs size is. Let's just make this simple, and if you can also add fence if you need to. And next we're gonna make the H thing here. Perfect. Now you need to change the size or the color because it might not fit. And I might change the size of the staircase so people will not fall off. And what I'm gonna do now is try to make the fence. So I need the basic set. So I need to copy paste this and make sure this is big enough for the fence. So what you need to do for the fence is just go like this. I'm just going to make the basic fence or wall, or whatever you want it to be, and I needed to copy and paste this to make the other wall so it can fit too. You may not call this a building or roof because it has walls, but this is what we're going to do for the basic. Let me just change the direction or angle of it, and for the final wall we're going to make this like this, and make sure that none of them is going through each other, or it will be like what the heck, or things like that. So let me just do this and this, and now you're done. This is the basic building that you're building. You can share it in the internet or just make it, and thumbs up if you like the video.